They call 911 and there may be nobody on the other line.
The drug cartels and the human traffickers who have invaded our borders and embedded in every single American city.
This threat is real. Our leaders are either incapable of or unwilling to protect you. And the AR-15 is one of the most effective tools available to protect yourself and your family.
Holy shit! They're using the same techniques as an infomercial there. Is human traffic getting you down? Do you have ISIS sympathizers in those hard-to-reach places? Are you tired of getting 9/11'd? There's got to be a better way. Try the AR-15, available at way too many stores near you. Now, to watch NRA TV is to watch a constant stream of stories like those, many of them real, but amplified to terrify you and sell you products. And there may be a good reason that it sounds like an infomercial, because it is. Many of NRA TV's shows are sponsored by gun brands like Smith & Wesson, and behind the scenes of NRA TV is an ad agency. It's called Ackerman McQueen. They've worked with the NRA for decades, and the Ackerman McQueen website proclaims every brand must be its own media company. And that is what the NRA have done with their TV arm. They've got a product to sell, and they employ people who can sell that product well. Even Dana Lash, the clenched fist of truth. When she's not warning of the drug cartels and human traffickers in every single American city, she's just selling you some other shit.
Hi, I'm Dana Lash from The Dana Show. There's one superfood I drink every day for healthy circulation and to make me feel great all day long. It's called Super Beets, and you can try it for yourself risk-free. I take Super Beets as my pre-workout in the morning and as a non-jittery pick-me-up in the afternoon. And just 1 teaspoon of Super Beets gives you the benefit of 3 whole beets.
Wow, Dana, 3 whole beets. That's more than my delicious superfood, medium beets. It gives you the benefits of 2 whole beets, which is, and this is true, enough. That's a perfectly adequate number of beets. The whole point here is, the answer to the question, what the fuck is NRA TV, is it's just a vessel to sell America guns. That's pretty much it. Does it work? It's honestly hard to say. They won't reveal their ratings, so it's plausible that no one is watching this and that ad agency, Ackerman McQueen, are making out like bandits. But look, having watched a shitload of NRA TV's programming, here is what I'll say about it. There is a lot to be concerned about regarding the NRA's activities, but NRA TV might actually be the dumbest, most transparent thing that it does. Think about it this way. If the NRA is a ferocious bear charging at you, NRA TV is that bear's ridiculous hat. Is it eye-catching? Sure it is. Is it perversely entertaining? Absolutely. Is it the main thing you should be worried about? Probably not. Because the real truth here is, hat or no hat, it is imperative that everyone keep their eyes on that fucking bear. And now, this.
And now, proof that NRA TV's tone can make anything seem scary. Has your kitchen, that once gleamed in the soft glow of dawn, now become a bleak gulag of countertops bent in shameful submission to breakfast's perverse tyrant? She is the oven's contemptible whore, and her name is Muffins. The muffin is a glutinous prison, each berry a fruit slave within its crusty walls. Americans once relished our right to a stack of flapjacks and a cup of joe. But now, we tremble before Satan's cupcakes. Joe uncupped and flapjacks unstacked. When the muffins rise, we must rise against them. Because you don't know the Muffin Man, America, and you better pray you never do. Pancakes, the undeniable fuel of life.
That's our show. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Good night.